Hello everyone, my name is Joseph, the channel is Joseph Train on the Track, and tonight I'm going to show you this nice little Christmas setup we have in the basement here. So on the left here is my eldest sister's tree. She is a big fan of Nightmare Before Christmas and Disney princesses and basically anything Disney in general. And anything that has to do with baking and cooking. So here's her tree. And on the right, we have my tree, which is decked out with, well, some Lionel keepsake trains. Of course, it's not fully decked out since I only started hanging up ornaments tonight. Obviously, this is not going to be a one-night project, considering the fact that, well, it's almost 8 o'clock and there's still so much left to go. I mean, look at this. That's my box right there. It's gonna get crazy. That said, the main point of this video is to show you this, my Lionel Train set, with some extensions, so to speak. Anyways, we got this Peanuts Halloween themed 240 in the front, with some nice sounds in the tender, a 1973 New Haven boxcar, a tanker car from that Peanuts Halloween set, as well as a boxcar, a Contadina tomato sauce boxcar from 1993, and a nice Peanuts Halloween themed caboose. Cool, right? Anyways, before today, this train set was, well, not very operational. For some reason, the steam locomotive did not want to respond to the commands of the Lion Chief remote, which is right here. And I looked inside today and found quite a bit of hair clogged in the gears inside, so I'm very glad that I cleared those out, although sometimes it still doesn't like to respond to the remote, and I hear a bit of a grinding sound, so probably need some oil. But other than that, it's a great runner, and it goes pretty fast for a train set that's been sitting in its box for a good 3 years, maybe? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna plug this thing in, like so. You could hear that from a mile away, couldn't you? Alright, sometimes, like I said, it's a bit fickle, but I tested it. And this remote is ready to control this train. Let's go. You know, I'm very proud to have this Lion Chief train set here, even though it doesn't have, well, the most realistic sound effects, considering the fact that it's Halloween themed. What, like this?
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, I'm okay with it. And you know what? These tracks may be white, and then the rest of it's gray. I'm okay with that too. I got these tracks for cheaper, so I don't mind as much. And plus, it gives this layout a bit of a variety. And I don't care what other people think. I like it. I like this track quite a bit. However, the thing that I do not like is that it circles around my tree and, well, it's just short of my sister's. What I might consider doing is getting some track for a loop right here, and then another pack of this white track right here, as well as maybe an extension bridge of sorts. And I found it for cheap on Walmart and Amazon. I might just order it from Walmart because, well, for reasons. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you know what? I'll send you all off with just a slow travel. Bye. Come on, please don't do this. Nah, not again. See, this is what I mean. Like, sometimes it doesn't like to respond. It's in the right area for it not to respond. Ah, there we go. That's better. You'll get a nice little look at the boxcars here. This one has some rust inside, but you know what? That's okay. Because it works. And I love that all of the boxcars just work so well together. What the heck just happened? That's better. Let's hit a weird dead spot or whatever. What are you doing? You know what I think? This track over here is not very even. And it kind of separates. See what I mean? And perhaps in another video, whether it be on this channel or my Joseph Cheese in the Pie channel, stay tuned for that. I'll show y'all exactly what I have on this tree by the time I hang up all my ornaments. God bless you all, and take care now.